Today's episode of Old Cars Breaking Down. Map sensor for a 2013 Passat, or 2012 Passat. It's a 2.5. What you want to do is you want to take this top off right there. You're going to shift this intake thing off to the side, and the intake is actually built into the cover. So that's the rest of the intake. You're going to loosen all that. And some of the online instructions will tell you to take off the throttle body. You do not need to. What you need to do is you need to get a T25 and get that little bolt out. And once you get that bolt out, the other side is just a little rubber knob that fits in, so it's not an actual screw you need to access. So you don't have to take this out. All you have to do is take that screw out, pop that off, and you can see that is the wiring harness that connects to it. I've already taken it out. It's pretty easy. You just have to make sure you take this wiring harness and move it off the side. I'll give you some space, and you just get one of these extensions, and you just kind of fit it in there. Can't do it with one hand, but anyway, get that in there and tighten it. You do not have to take this throttle body off. So I have the extension this way, and you can just hand tighten it. I'm going to shift this over, and we're going to plug this back in. I need two hands for this. So there you have it. It's plugged back in. Now we just put this wiring harness back in, clip that back on, shift that back over, and we're going to put this little snorkel back on. So we got T25. That sucker is used for these two screws. So this side is T25 as well. Next up, we have the snorkel. That fits into there. This fits into that over there. I got bug flew in my nose. Okay, so we're going to put our intake back on. Might actually need to tighten this more. Plug these back in. When they're on, they should make a little clicking noise that lets you know they're locked in. Okay. Now we're going to put the rest of the scoop and engine cover back on. Wonderful Volkswagen design. The engine cover is part of the entire intake system. Genius. We've got 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes. And that fits nicely into that, this, and this. There is nothing else securing it, so when you first pull off the cover, you've got to yank real hard. It may seem like you're going to break something, but you won't. Okay. I haven't put the cover fully back on. I just kind of stuck it on there because we do need to tighten these on. I'm not sure if there was I bought this car like this, but there wasn't a clamp or anything on top of this. It's just this hose tube. After you get that back on, we gotta slide this under. And this was already busted when I bought the car. So it's missing a screw on the side, missing a screw on the side, but it doesn't matter. This is all before the airbox anyway. Okay, that's on, that's secure. We've got those two on. I just gotta shove this down. That's it. So the permanent code, P0106, manifold absolute pressure. After I changed the sensor, it is no longer a pending code.